it's Stacey at Wayside Garage, and we have a 2014 Ford C-Max in that the client was having an issue with a fluid leak. They actually thought that it was engine oil that was leaking, and one of my technicians brought the vehicle in and we got it inspected, and we actually found that the fluid that was leaking was transmission fluid. So he verified where the leak was coming from, and we actually found a transmission cooler line that was leaking. This is the cooler line, and what happens is the seals here that connect to the transmission start to become brittle and hard. This one's extremely hard, and it allows the fluid to go past, so it's not sealing properly. It is something that happens over a period of time with age and mileage, which is one of the reasons why it's extremely important to make sure that you have your vehicle inspected to make sure that you don't have any issues. For this one here, we actually the transmission cooler line assembly along with servicing the transmission. It was actually due, and we could tell by the condition of the fluid. When we were inspecting, we found that the fluid had deteriorated, and it was actually starting to turn color, and it has a smell to it, almost a burnt smell. So we want to try to avoid any transmission or extensive transmission repairs. And by having the vehicle inspected and servicing the transmission every 3 years or every 30,000 miles is going to prolong the life of the transmission on this vehicle, along with prolong the life and use of the vehicle itself. It's definitely a lot more cost effective to service and maintain your vehicle than it would be to replace it. Even if you had to replace the transmission, transmissions are expensive. So doing a service every 3 years, every 30,000 miles on your vehicle, you're going to get much more life out of your vehicle at a lot less cost. We have a cost to own video that breaks down the comparison between maintaining your current vehicle as opposed to purchasing a new to you or a new vehicle, and I'll link that below. If you feel that it's time to have your vehicle inspected, especially your transmission, then give us a call at Wayside Garage, 831-899-2425. My ASE certified technicians are happy to get your vehicle in, get it inspected. We do a full health check, and we'll advise you on anything that we see, and we will work with you to put together a plan that best suits you and your budget and your driving habit. Again, Seaside, California, 831-899-2425, or schedule online at www.waysidegarage.com. And please like, subscribe, and comment on our YouTube video. If you have any questions that you would like us to answer, we're happy to do so. Go ahead and comment below, and have a great day.